Greetings, students. Welcome to my class. Students, for the last 4 days, we have been doing letter writing, and in letter writing, we have been doing formal letters and its types for the last 4 days. And so far, we have done letter to editor, letter of complaint, letter of inquiry, letter of placing order. We have done assignments on that too. I have explained all the 4 types so far to all of you, and I hope that you have understood the all 4 types of formal letters which I have explained to you. Now it's time for its final type of formal letter, which is letter of reply. Letter as by seeing the pictures, I hope that you have understood that we are going to do how we can reply to a letter which asks some inquiries, more some questions, or maybe we have to reply to the few complaints with the letter which we have received. If that letter concedes few complaints or some questions about some product, some some brand or some coaching classes or any course or any fees structure, or it can be anything, or it can be a complaint, then we have to reply to those letters. So today we are going to see what is response letters and how can we reply to those letters. So students, first of all, we will know that what is a response letter. So a response letter provides the answers of information requested in a letter of inquiry. The objective is to satisfy the reader with an action that fulfills their request. Students, objective here means द एम, लक्ष्य क्या होता है उस लेटर ऑफ रिप्लाई का। हमें जो भी हमसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं इंक्वायरी लेटर में, हमें वी आर द रिसीवर ऑफ दैट इंक्वायरी लेटर, सो वी विल आंसर। आवर एम इज़ टू सेटिस्फाई द रीडर विद एन एक्शन दैट फुलफिल्स देयर रिक्वेस्ट। हमें ऐसा जवाब देना है, ऐसा एक्शन लेना है जो उनकी ज़रूरतों को या उनके क्वेश्चंस को फुलफिल सेटिस्फाई कर सके, संतुष्ट कर सके। इफ़ यू हैव नाइदर द इंफॉर्मेशन requested nor the authority to reply, forward the inquiry on to the correct person. Students, if we don't have the information requested, क्या हमसे पूछा गया है और हमें किसको रिप्लाई करना है, अथॉरिटी नहीं है, then we have to forward the inquiry on to the correct person. If you are the correct person, be prompt with your reply. If we are the person who has to reply about the inquiry, we have to be prompt, we have to be active. Address every question courteously here means विनम्रता से। बहुत जो भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं या कंप्लेंट है, उनका हमें बहुत ही प्यार से, विनम्रता से उसका जवाब देना चाहिए, विदाउट गेटिंग रूड और विदाउट गेटिंग एनॉयड और एंग्री। इवन दोस दैट डू नॉट सीम रेलेवेंट। समटाइम्स we get questions, we get inquiries, we get complaints which are not relevant, जो कि सही नहीं होती हैं, जिनका कोई लॉजिक नहीं होता है, लेकिन हमें फिर भी उन लेटर्स का जवाब बहुत ही प्यार और विनम्रता से देना चाहिए। Take into account that your reader may lack your expertise. Keep your response on point and avoid going beyond the scope of the reader's request. This paragraph means कि हमें अपने लेटर्स को ब्रीफ में रखना चाहिए। मे बी यू नो ऑल ईच एंड एवरी थिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, अबाउट द कंप्लेंट, वट एवर कंप्लेंट इज मेड टू यू, बट द योर reader which is going to read the letter of your which is going to read the reply letter, maybe he is or she is not that much well aware of that product. So we have to keep our letter in brief. When responding to a forwarded letter, inform your reader in your opening paragraph that you are the correct contact person for all future communication. In your closing paragraph, express your willingness to be of further assistance. और be of further assistance here means कि आपको उसमें बताना पड़ेगा इन क्लोजिंग पैराग्राफ में ये बताना पड़ेगा कि आप फ्यूचर में अगर उनको किसी चीज़ से किसी भी तरह के इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए है तो यू आर द पर्सन टू कॉन्टैक्ट एंड यू आर रेडी टू help them. We have to tell them. So this was what is response letter was all about. Now we will do the rules for drafting inquiry reply letter. Inquiries must be replied promptly, means without getting late. We should not take too much time to respond any inquiry, even if the reply is a negative one. If the reply is favorable, tell the inquirer the good news immediately. If the reply is negative, apply an indirect approach. Drafting a reply letter or quotation letter is not an easy task. Since it is considered as a sales letter, it must be written with due care. The following rules should be taken into consideration. ध्यान में रखने चाहिए. Consideration here means to हमें we have to keep in mind few points, important points, while drafting a reply or quotation letter. First point, refer to the date and reference number of the letter. Whenever you have got the date, and refer to the date and reference number. जब भी आपको लेटर मिलता है डेट उसमें कोई रेफरेंस कोड है तो दैट यू हैव टू मेंशन. Thank the party for his letter and show appreciation for his interest in your company, its products or service. We have to thank that party that for his letter, that he or she, that person has shown interest, or that party has shown interest in your company or the product also. Sincerely answer all the questions in the letter of inquiry. हमें बहुत ही गंभीरता से और ध्यानपूर्वक उन क्वेश्चंस का, उन इंक्वायरीज़ का जवाब देना चाहिए. Add relevant information in the form of a short description of goods, prices, advantages, favorable terms, etc. Mention the mode and terms of payment, place and time of delivery, method of transport, charges on account of sales tax, octroi freight, and insurance and packing and forwarding charges. Whatever the mode and terms of payments are there, whatever, if it is a buying, if they have bought few things from your company and they are not happy, then they are asking or complaining or inquiring something about, or they want to buy something from your company in bulk or in few limited quantity, then also you have to tell them about the mode of payment, place and time of delivery. All these questions to mention. Then state whether the price list, catalog, sample, etc. are enclosed or they are being sent separately. Suppose you are running a coaching classes or big coaching classes, and somebody is inquiring to you about the fee structure, about the brochure, about the monthly installment or quarterly installment, hostel facilities, accommodation, all these things, etc. So you have to mention that you have enclosed all the documents, or you are sending them. Use some sales talk to stimulate the interest of the buyer. Show your willingness to serve or help the customer in the future. Close the reply letter with warm and friendly wordings. From the above mentioned points, we can easily assume that we are to consider a lot of things while drafting a good reply letter. A good reply letter is really not an easy task, students, to write. So you have to keep all these points in your mind, whenever you write a reply letter, reply to any inquiry or any complaint. A properly drafted reply letter always wins the hearts of the receiver. So these were the points you have to keep in mind, students. In next audio clip I will discuss with you and sample letter how we can write. So that is for this audio clip. Thank you.